Hey, let's get real for a second. If you've ever sat back and felt like your viewing setup just isn't doing justice to the moments you care about, movie nights, big game days, cozy binge sessions, then listen closely. The Epson Lifestudio Pop Plus is for the person who feels when something's missing from the experience, who knows deep down that TV speakers and flat screens only go so far. Before anything else, check the current price and stock now. Projectors this capable don't stay predictable in availability or pricing for long. You've probably had that moment where a scene should feel grand, emotional, or cinematic, but the picture looks dull and the sound feels thin. You shrug and think, okay. But you deserve more than that. The first time you power this projector up, that old disappointment just melts away. Suddenly the room isn't just a room, it's an experience. You realize how much you've been selling yourself short without even noticing. Picture this, a crisp 4K image that actually holds up even in family room lighting. Colors that feel alive instead of washed out. Sound that doesn't just happen but fills the space, and not just any sound, but audio tuned by Bose that gives depth and presence you rarely get from built-in speakers. It's not about putting a bigger image on the wall, it's about feeling like you're transported into whatever you're watching, whether it's a movie, a game, or a streamed favorite. Once you've seen what real brightness and clarity feel like up on a big screen, anything less starts to feel like settling. Every time you think about a budget alternative, your mind keeps circling back here because you already know what it feels like when visuals and audio finally align. Don't let hesitation over price swings or stock shifts be what stands between you and those moments you actually remember. And if you're wondering whether a projector can really match the quality you're imagining, that's exactly what most people don't expect. It's not just about size. It's about how natural and detailed everything feels, how colors stay true even on larger images, how music and dialogue don't get lost in the background. It feels alive. It feels intentional. It feels like something built to elevate every night, not just special occasions. Big, immersive visuals that draw you in, clarity and color that feel vibrant, and real Bose-tuned sound that brings scenes to life. Every viewing session feels intentional, confidence knowing you finally upgraded right. It's a larger investment than basic TVs. Ambient light can affect the brightest scenes. At some point you stop comparing specs and just choose the experience you already know feels right, because nothing else keeps pulling you back in the same way. Check the current price and availability now, and make the upgrade. Your future self will be glad you didn't delay.